Here's how we breed our Corduras. We pluck the eggs out of the tank and put them into methylene blue until they hatch. Then we gently suck the hatchlings out with a pipette and place them into a small grow-out tank. We make sure to acclimate to the correct temperature. Fish fry are very sensitive to temperature changes. We feed the Fry Aquarium Co-op Magic Feed and baby brine shrimp to grow them up.